Welcome back to Rainy Day Weather, and today we're going to be talking about the northeast storm threat of ice, snow, and actually some severe weather in a couple of areas. So let's get right into it. As you can see, looking at our general GFS model here, you can start to see some ice and rain beginning 1 a.m. on Thursday. This is Thursday, really early morning as we progress. Thursday, during rush hour, this is really where the main part of the storm is going to happen. Pennsylvania, Maryland, and then into New York as it progresses. Some more snow, but it's going to be mostly snow, then followed by sleet or freezing rain, and then fully rain event for most areas that are going to be impacted. Taking a look at our shorter range model here with the NAM, a little bit more precision on where we could see the freezing rain and then mix and snowfall. And if we take a look at one of the SKUTs here, we can see what exactly is going on for this precipitation. Now, the main thing to point out here is the temperatures in the upper levels are just warm enough to melt the precipitation, and then as that precipitation falls, it then either refreezes by the time it gets to the surface, or if we go into a freezing rain area, it really melts into a rain droplet, then hits the surface, and you can see the surface is 29 degrees Fahrenheit, and it freezes on contact. That is really the main risk of freezing rain, is it causes a lot of issues because it is just ice on impact, and it is really hard to treat surfaces for because it washes things right off the roads. Taking a look at our snowfall risk, as you can see, really not much snowfall risk for New York and Pennsylvania. That's mainly because the event will be first some snow, and then the sleet / freezing rain, and then rain. And so most of that snow that does fall will probably be melted away unless you're north enough where you don't get that warm air to intrude on the storm. So really not a significant snowfall maker here. Really, I want to go over the ice accretion parts, the ice accretion risk here. Some models are saying up to half an inch of ice, which is a significant amount that could cause widespread power outages, extreme travel conditions, and really some tough times for the infrastructure around in these areas. So Maryland, Virginia, parts of West Virginia and the ridges, and central Pennsylvania, really be looking out for this storm ice-wise. It will be a really dangerous situation there. And the last risk I want to point out is the severe thunderstorm risk, because there actually is a bit of a severe thunderstorm risk in this area in the southern Midwest here. Taking a look at summer model, we can get kind of a picture of what it's going to look like. Just some scattered thunderstorms all about. But then if we look at over here, at the Storm Prediction Center, we have a marginal risk across Kentucky and upper Tennessee. For risks being tornado risk, very slight, just 2%, and then a 5% wind risk in these areas. So really this system is going to have every type of risk you can have. It's going to have snow, sleet, freezing rain, and then some thunderstorm and severe thunderstorm risks down in Kentucky and Tennessee. It is quite the system to watch. But it's not the only system within the next week that we may see, so definitely stay tuned for updates. You can subscribe here on the YouTube channel. Also find my social medias on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This has been Rainy Day Weather. Stay safe.